How to reset Citizens Bank of Edmond password. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps, so let's just get started. For that, you can go ahead and navigate to the official website of Citizens Bank of Edmond, which is mycitizens.bank. So once you head over there, you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now here, find the login section. For that, look out for the menu in the top right corner and tap on it. And from the menu, directly select the option called login and tap on it. After you tap on login, you will be taken to the login page like this, where you need to enter up your credentials in order to particularly log in. But if you'd like to reset your password, what you can do is look out for this option called forgot password or trouble logging in link. Just go ahead and find it up and click on it. And once you click on it, you just need to provide in details. The website will guide you through a series of steps to verify your identity, such as entering up your login ID here or other identifying information before doing so. After you submit it, you can just go ahead and choose a new strong password that is different from your previous one and follow the instructions to set it up. And that way, you can go ahead and reset the Citizens Bank of Edmond password very easily. And that's it. So you may follow up this process if you'd like to reset Citizens Bank of Edmond password. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.